Nathan, that's your first pumpkin.
Yeah, big boy.
You took the top off all by yourself? Yeah.
Reach in there.
Did you
What's in
take
there?
the top off all by yourself? Are you putting your hand in there? It's mushy and gooky, huh?
See, I don't need a bit.
No, you don't need it, babe. You're gonna get messy. Yeah.
Stay on from
This is the top. Right
it.
here.
Sophie, baby, get back.
See? This fits right here, like that. Sophie, move it.
Nope.
Nope! Your pumpkin closed! You gonna open it back up? Almost.
Sophie, stop, baby girl. I know you're just curious, but stop. Good job, Nathan.
You want me to take it off? Here, look. Look at all that goopies.
Precious. Good girl. Duggies.
Oh, are you shutting it again?
Here. Let's take it off. You goofy. What is that?
It's pumpkin.
It's your very first pumpkin. Yeah.
Just slimy. It's orange and slimy, huh?
That's weird. Let's put it over here.
What's in there, huh? Is that a pumpkin? Whoa!
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa!
I got him. You almost took a nosedive. You pretty much did take a nosedive. Oh, she just ate a seed, babe.
Sophie, don't eat pumpkin seeds. No.
Sophie, get. Oh,
Nathan.
move that top.
Yeah. You're